We are starting Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3, exercise 12.3 from question 4. Last video we have completed question 1 to 3. This video we are starting from 4. Our first question: what is the difference between temperature in ice and the temperature of the air? So here is two things. Ice temperature is 0 degree, ice 0 degree Celsius, and air here is mentioned, this is 24 and this is 25, this is 26. It means the signal is here, so we can say this one is 25 degrees Celsius. So difference will be 25 degrees Celsius minus 0 degrees Celsius, so it will be 25 degrees Celsius. But here is a one problem: if anybody make difference like 0 degrees Celsius with 25 degrees Celsius, it's become minus 25 degrees Celsius, so it's a wrong. Okay, so be careful about this one. Next question, we are in question 4. Now we will start question 4b. Look at the temperature shown in the table. This table shows the temperature on the same day but in two different countries, country A, country B. Here is April, May, June, July, 4-month temperature of two countries. Our question: write the difference between the temperature in the two countries in. So we can make another column which is difference, right? Difference. So first 31 degrees Celsius minus 9. 31 degrees Celsius minus 9 degrees Celsius. It will be what? 22 degrees Celsius. Next 31 degrees Celsius minus 12 degrees Celsius. So it will be what? It will be, is it same? 9, so 22 and 12, so it will be 19 degrees Celsius, right? Next June, 32 degrees Celsius minus 17 degrees Celsius, so it will be what? 15 degrees Celsius. And finally it's a 33 degrees Celsius minus 18 degrees Celsius. The result will be this one also, what? 15, right? 15 degrees Celsius. So we can write in here like we have to find out the difference. June, it means here June, we can write in font or we can write June. This is April, May, June and July, right? So first June, it's a 15 degrees Celsius. The difference, April is 22 degrees Celsius, July 15 degrees Celsius, and May 19 degrees Celsius. Now which month has the biggest temperature difference? The biggest temperature difference is 19 degrees Celsius. This is 19 and it's a 19 degrees Celsius, which is the biggest difference. Or which one? April also 22. It's I think April is the biggest, right? Sorry, my last thing was wrong. 31 degrees Celsius minus 9, it means 22 degrees Celsius, and this one is a 15 degrees Celsius, this one is a 15 degrees Celsius. So which month has the biggest temperature difference? April, which is 22 degrees Celsius. So very important question. Number 4 done. Number 5, house plants like a temperature that is over 18 degrees Celsius. Which thermometer show the best temperature for the plants? So in thermometer mark has not mentioned exact degree, like in top 40 degree and below 0 degree. So we can consider this one is 0, then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35, right? It's a 35. So all are similar. Now what temperature does it show? So this case, which thermometer shows the best temperature for the plants? We need house plants like a temperature that is over 18 degrees Celsius. Which thermometer show the best temperature for the plants? So we need over what? 18 degree. So 18 degree, this one is below 18 degree, right? Just over 15. This is over 15. It means this is 16 degree Celsius. This one is if 5, 10. So let's say this one is a 12 degree Celsius. And this one is a 5, 10, 15 and 20. It means this one is a 20 degree Celsius and need over 18 degree. So our right answer is C. Which thermometer shows the best temperature for the plants? This one is a C. Okay. And what about this one? This is a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and this is 35. It means it's a near 35. Let's say this one is a 33 degrees Celsius. Okay. What temperature does it show? This is number C thermometer. That one is 20 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, in school temperature should not fall below 18 degrees Celsius. Show and write a temperature that would close school. So 18 degree. So this first we have to mark this one. Like this one is a 5. Then this one is 10. It's a 15. And this is 20, 25. Then we can say this one is a 30 and 35. So our target to make this one should not follow below 18 degrees Celsius. So it should be over 18 degrees. So we can consider this one is a 20 degree, right? It's a good temperature. 20 degree. We can mark like this. So our answer, show and write a thermometer what would close to school. The answer is 20 degrees Celsius and here is a mention. Okay. So number 5 done. Number 6. This thermometer is leveled to show each 10 degrees Celsius. Write all the missing levels. So first this one is starting 0, then it will be 5, then 10, then 15, then what, 20 and then 25, 30 and finally 35. Show a temperature of more than 15 degrees Celsius but less than 23 degrees Celsius. What temperature have you shown? So I would like to show like it will be 15 degrees Celsius but less than 23 degree. We can write 20 degrees Celsius. So how can we draw this one? This is 20 degrees Celsius. So we can draw not more than, this is 20 degree. So it can be like this way. Okay, this is 20 degrees Celsius. So number 6 done.